My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the malicious pop-ups that come from the site tankus.live. Tankus.live is a deceptive site that attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. The website displays pretty misleading alerts that try to encourage its visitors into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted programs. The pop-up tankus.live says that your PC might be vulnerable to viruses and other threats. It also displays some other faulty information which you should never trust, because the real purpose of these pop-ups, as I have said, is to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. At the first glance, it looks like the software which is promoted is decent, but when you start interacting with these pop-ups, you may be brought to some other dangerous sites that may promote a totally different software, or you may be simply forwarded to some other junk sites that don't represent any value or may even represent some danger. In fact, pop-ups by tankus.live may be the trace of some adware in your computer. So first thing we recommend you to do is to check the control panel and uninstall any programs which might be suspicious. If you find them here, get rid of them. I also recommend that you research the system additionally with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on this official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the program and then begin researching and investigating your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.